Well, for all you Spectrum 375 Spectrum plasma cutter owners, I was having problems with my pressure light flashing, and well, it's on now because I got the compressor cut off. But as it turns out, there is a filter. There's a screen. You had to take this whole assembly off. I had to take my fan off first to access it. Cut this off. And there's a screen in there, and then there's a filter inside this housing. So you can remove this hose here, just kind of a push-pull. It'll come right out, kind of like a fuel line coupling, and then once you press it back in there, it resets. But that's the only line you have to take loose. Then there's screws here for this housing, and these two screws in the back. All of that has to come loose to get it off. It's crazy. But there is a filter down there, and that solved my problem. So I don't know if it'll take care of yours. But there's a screen at the bottom. Looks like a water separator or something in there. And then there's a really small micron filter up at the top. So clean your filter up, and that might solve your pressure problem. If your pressure light is flashing on your Spectrum 375, I'm gonna go get some. This thing has never been. I'm gonna get my blowgun and blow all this dust and dirt out of here. And I might get me some electrical parts cleaner and just kind of spray over this board a little bit. Anyway, hope that helps you get your Spectrum, because I swear, man, I didn't have no $1,500 bill. At least I might have had one, but I didn't want to buy no plasma cutter with it. And you know, once you use one, you don't want to be without it ever again. So anyway, we got it. It's done. There's your dinner.